Good evening all, I am Shobha. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. Today we can see Nifty has open gap up. The main reason is today's global cues were positive, and today we can see Nifty has opened gap up here, and here price is, we can see price given movement upside, and from here it has taken resistance, and at today's open it has taken support, and later you can see some upside movement again, and here it has taken a resistance at today's high, and second half you can see some consolidation and closed near today's high. Coming to Bank Nifty again opened gap up today, and we can see upside movement in Bank Nifty, and here we can see some correction, and it has taken a support here, and in second half we can see consolidation in Bank Nifty. Coming to Fin Nifty again open gap up. We can see a nice upside movement in the first half, and it has taken some correction, and later we can see a consolidation throughout the day. Coming to tomorrow's level, if tomorrow Nifty breaks this today's high, we can expect further upside movement, and if Nifty tomorrow breaks this low, we can expect further till here, and again if this low breaks, we can expect Nifty to fill this gap. In Bank Nifty, for tomorrow levels, Bank Nifty has to break this level, we can expect further upside movement, and we have an immediate resistance here, and if downside, if it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall. Again we have a support over here. If again it breaks this today's low, we can expect to fill this gap tomorrow. Coming to Fin Nifty we have a immediate resistance here, and tomorrow if it opens flat and breaks this resistance, we can expect immediate resistance is this, and again if this breaks, we can expect further upside movement. Coming to downside, we have a support here. If this breaks, and we can expect till today's low. Again if tomorrow Fin Nifty breaks today's low, we can expect to fill this gap. Thank you all, see you tomorrow.